Olive oil and avocado hair mask. This natural hair mask contains only 2 ingredients, avocado and olive oil. Hair mask recipe. Take 1 avocado, cut it, remove the stone, and put its flesh into a blender to blend for 1 minute. You can use a fork to mush the avocado, but the result may not be as smooth as after the blender, and the avocado bits could stick on your strands. Now, add about 1 tablespoon to 1/4 cup of water, and blend again until you get a lump-free, smooth paste. Transfer the mixture into a bowl, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, and mix everything well. How to use it. Apply the mask on your wet hair with your clean fingers, starting from the scalp and the roots to the ends. Tie your hair up and put on a shower cap, then use a hair dryer on your hair for 10-15 minutes. After that, let the mask sit for another 15-20 minutes, then rinse out thoroughly. Don't let any bits of avocado remain on your hair. If you still happen to have some avocado bits afterwards, don't worry, once your hair is dry, they will fall off when you comb it. Wring your hair and wrap up in a fluffy towel, or even air dry your hair if possible. Notes: adjust the amount of olive oil according to the hair dryness or oiliness, 1-2 tablespoons for oily hair, and 2-3 tablespoons or even more for dry or brittle hair. Benefits of the ingredients. Avocado contains beneficial fatty acids that seal moisture and condition hair. It also nourishes the hair and prevents premature hair graying due to its high vitamin and antioxidant content. Olive oil contains healthy fats that are good for damaged and dull hair. It helps dry hair, but don't overdo adding olive oil to your hair mask to avoid burdening your hair and making it look greasy.